Hey tea lovers! This week we are looking more closely at one of our herbal blends that was crafted to promote healthy digestion and alleviate bloating. This 6-ingredient blend is Organic Bloat Relief. Organic peppermint offers multiple benefits for reducing bloating. Its natural muscle relaxant and antispasmodic properties help soothe digestive muscles and alleviate cramping. By improving digestion, reducing gas production, and providing anti-inflammatory effects, peppermint can effectively relieve abdominal discomfort and bloating. Organic ginger root's anti-inflammatory and muscle relaxant attributes help soothe the digestive system, reducing inflammation and spasms that contribute to bloating. By aiding in digestion, promoting motility, and acting as a natural carminative, ginger can effectively alleviate gas-related discomfort. Organic chamomile has anti-inflammatory and muscle relaxant properties to help reduce inflammation and spasms in the digestive system, leading to decreased bloating and cramping. Additionally, chamomile is a great choice for those with IBS as it helps to calm the nervous system and will help relieve symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome. Holy basil, or tulsi, has anti-inflammatory properties that soothe digestive inflammation and promote digestive enzyme secretion aids in reducing gas buildup and bloating. This herb's adaptogenic qualities can help manage stress-related digestive discomfort, while its muscle-relaxing and antispasmodic effects ease gastrointestinal spasms and cramps associated with bloating. Organic lemon balm is known for its digestive soothing and muscle-relaxing properties that can alleviate inflammation and spasms in the digestive tract. By promoting a calmer nervous system and providing antioxidants, lemon balm indirectly supports smoother digestion and gas reduction. Organic fennel is a versatile herb with numerous benefits for reducing bloating. Its carminative and antispasmodic properties help expel gas and relax digestive muscles, effectively diminishing bloating and spasms. By promoting efficient digestion, preventing gas buildup, and offering anti-inflammatory effects, fennel supports a reduction in bloating and discomfort. Let's make a delicious bloat relief coconut milk tea latte. We're going to start by steeping 2 teaspoons of Organic Bloat Relief tea in 8 ounces of nearly boiling filtered water for 5 to 7 minutes. While this is steeping, heat 8 ounces of coconut milk, froth if you'd like, and add some honey to sweeten if desired. Mix together the tea and the milk and enjoy this delicious minty tea latte. Thank you so much for joining us for this week's Tea of the Week. You can find all the links in the description below, and I hope that you can recommend Organic Bloat Relief to someone who it may help or try it for yourself. Have a wonderful rest of your week. Bye-bye!